శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, థర్డ్ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Devahuti praying to, requesting to Kardama to bless her a son. She is saying like this, O Swami, O Prajapati, all these years I have wasted all of my time just in enjoying all the mundane comforts. I know you are the one who can give knowledge, jnanam, by which we can even attain moksham. But I did not make the best use of being your wife. Like that, Devahuti, when she is feeling so sad, then Kardama Prajapati saying like this. Kardama Prajapati remembered words, remembered blessings of Sriman Narayana sometime back. What he said is, O Kardama, I am going to be born to you with my spark. Those words now Kardama Prajapati remembering and saying to Devahuti like this, Ma khidaha Rajaputri, O Manusuta, నీ మదిని దుఃఖంబును పొందకుము. అచిరకాలమున భగవంతుడు అనఘుండు అక్షరుడు జనార్దనుడు భవత్ గర్భమందుండగ వసించున్. ఓ రాజపుత్రి, do not get despaired. You have such a great character. సాక్షాత్ పరమాత్మ ఆదిదేవ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, who is the treasure of all divine qualities, is going to be entering your garbham, your womb, very soon. Bhadrante, may you be successful, Devahuti. O Devahuti, until then what you need to be doing is keep your mind under your control and keep on doing Bhagavadarādhana and keep on performing all great righteous charities and activities. Definitely, Paramatma is going to be pleased by your service, your seva, and he himself is going to be born to you as your son. Also, Paramatma is going to make sure that your fame is spreaded all around the world. For Devahuti, that son is going to be teaching you Brahmajnanam. With that Jnanam, all of your doubts and all of your ignorance is going to be completely wiped off. Like that, when Kardama said Devahuti felt very happy. Devahuti believed in Kardama's words. Devahuti paid all of her attention to Kardama's words. And then, according to Kardama Prajapati's suggestions, Devahuti Shraddhaya Purusham Kutastham Abhajat Gurum. Then onwards, Devahuti with all of her Shraddha and Bhakti started worshipping Paramapurusha Jagadguru Srimannarayana. Like that, so many years passed. Then Paramatma, as and how Kardama Prajapati said, Paramatma through Kardama Prajapati entered into Devahuti's Garbham. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.